Let's make a mint rum julep. We're gonna start by getting some mint. And I already did pre-pick my mint leaves. A lot of recipes say anywhere from 8 to 12 leaves. I like a lot of mint, so I'm gonna put all those in there. I did not count, I just kind of eyeballed it. But think about 8 to 12, or if you want more, have more. Then we're gonna put in 1 teaspoon of simple syrup. I need to get my teaspoon though. Teaspoon in hand, 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters? 5 milliliters. I'm gonna double check that later. And I'm gonna muddle these lightly together. Oh, one almost got away. I'm gonna crush some ice. Got my hammer, mallet. Got my Lewis bag. Oh. I will use them, it's a clean counter. And my hands are clean. Don't judge me. I'll be right back. Okay, ice crushed. I'm gonna add a bunch of this to the glass. I'm not gonna fill it all the way up. Maybe about half, if this is a double rocks. And now I'm gonna add my rum. 2 ounces of your rum, 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. I think I did that just about perfect. Now I'm gonna give this a quick stir. And garnish, sprig mint. Sprig of mint? Sprig mint. Get a quick wipe it around the glass, and I'm gonna tuck that in there. And ideally, I think I would have a short straw, but I don't have a short straw, so I'm gonna use my mouth, like you're supposed to use your mouth. And there you have it. Our mint rum julep, rum mint julep. Drink with good spirits.